So welcome guys to the Capital Defense Tournament hosted in Rotterdam.
We've got cards and I am living for this. We had a little sneak peek as well. And we have three different kind of cards. We've got the red ones, which are offensive cards, which will hinder your opponent. Then we got the blue cards, which are defensive cards, which are supposed to help your team. And then there's the
gold cards are bad. Like honestly, when we've had a chance to read through and look over these cards, and I've never seen a game of League of Legends with such a big hindrance.
Defending team and their captain, mCon and Tiger. Hi! Dynasty with Esports live. Are you ready to fight mCon?
I'm holding my esports pose.
A one-man army with Avital leading them. Woo! I have confidence in my team.
Chapeau.
Yeah, there, Captain Chapeau. Hello, hello. Look at that. He is ready to go.
I'm ready, baby.
League Tiger, you're up next, baby.
I'm not even stressed out a little bit.
So, it is time to begin our first match. Capital Defense Cup underway. mCon have to defend their Nexus for 30 minutes straight, but with an added caveat of there being cars in play. Where we've ever seen that in League of Legends before, I do not know.
5 minutes. It only took them 1 second.
Red card played. I wonder from which side, though.
At a disadvantage right away, and we'll see here what it's going to be.
Shops closed. You cannot buy an item for 3 minutes, including consumables.
Go for the ARM fight.
Go free! Well, Frankie might be falling straight out of the bat, but no, it's an all-in from mCon. They're going to style their opponents right up the final mark, getting most of their kills. We'll try and finish it off all in the end, but that is game. Place cannot walk, and that's already a disadvantage for a one-man army. They've got to disengage, but there's so much engaged power from their opposing side. In from floor, don't have enough damage. They're also tanky, but it's starting to get all the kills. Stunned up, concussed into the air. A one-man army are in big trouble. Yes, you'll try and find a last remaining player onto your mic, but he will just run away. Double kill for him to be an additive to that, and that's mCon fully taking control. Saw the knights take stage, but now we enter the castle itself, and we will be able to see a wizard in action. A wizard, maybe it's if it's a jester, but this time we'll see it in person on this broadcast right here.
Available, but not there in the fight. So
they're going for it before. They really are in good start from Samley. He's already dead. Oh no, that's the AD carry. And a very important one. Mahonix drops as well. In the meantime, who can get the Baron smite bite underway? They have to drop back. Lysandra drops. Draw for Al. Oh no. Loses life. The Baron is stolen. The kills are taken down. It's all going down here for the Dream Team as mCon take full control over this match. Big Five Head might be small Five Head as his brain is crushed to pieces. Yeah, Captain Diff.
What is he trying to do?
I think it was actually Shapu that is using a card and is making his way over to the magical table of enchant. But that's not one of the cards.
Wait, he's forced League Tiger to play?
So, okay, 3 minutes, Link Tiger has to play, get in game. He has to play his jungle. For 3 minutes.
I love it.
Shapo makes up his own rules, apparently, so we've got a new card, everybody.
I mean, look at him.
I didn't know he could do that.
You're not going to go against him.
Forced some of their mistakes, putting it all on to mCon. They were the ones that could play safe. No kill by the end of it. You could see disappointed faces, but it's laughter by the end because they do secure the victory today here at the Capital Defense Cup.
So how do you feel, man?
I'm devastated.
We've got the prize for sexiest captain.
Number one, that's
there
it.
We go.
Mom and Dad! I did it. My dad always wanted me to become a lawyer. I think this is a close second.
You're fine. Okay,
oh
never
my
mind.
God, I'm getting out of the way for this. Like,
Where do we even go?
Too small for me.
It's too small.
Congratulations! Let's give them a round of applause.
Congratulations, guys.
You are lovely. We love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in with us. And make sure to stay tuned for next year because this definitely has to happen next year. All right, guys. Thank you for everything. Bye-bye.